Welcome to the Lectric Service Center. Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace the brake pads on your XP 3.0 hydraulic brakes. Before we begin, you will need needle nose pliers. We will be performing this replacement on the rear brake caliper of an XP 3.0. This process will be the same on the front and rear brake calipers. First, find the retention pin. Then, use your needle nose pliers to straighten out the inside portion that should be bent at roughly 90 degrees. Now, pull the retention pin out. This will free up the brake pads. Then, pull the brake pads out from the brake caliper. The brake pads are held in place with a brake pad spring. Make sure to hold on to this as you will need it when installing the new brake pads. New brake pads will have 4 mm of brake pad material on it. Worn brake pads will have 2.7 mm or less of brake pad material left on it. A brake pad in this condition will need to be replaced. Place the new brake pads into the brake pad spring and make sure the brake pad material is facing inward. Pinch the brake pads together and insert them back into the brake caliper. Insert the retention pin back into the brake caliper and bend the inside portion to 90 degrees. Now that you've put in your new brake pads, test your brake at the brake lever and make sure that the brake pads are contacting the rotor upon pulling the brake lever. If they do not, you may need to perform a brake alignment. Watch this video to learn how to do that. Now, repeat this process on the other brake caliper. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at contact@lectricebikes.com or give us a call at 602-715-0907. Thanks for watching.